Looking for an easy DIY way to add wheels to your small inflatable boat? Here's a quick and cheap project using 2 SUP paddles and an inexpensive kayak cart from Amazon. First, take 2 cheap SUP paddles. Remove the inner handle tube from one paddle and cut off the handle section. Use that smaller tube to connect the 2 main paddle shafts together, creating one long axle bar. Next, grab a budget Vever kayak cart, around $35 on Amazon. Cut the cart axles in half and insert them into the outer ends of the SUP paddle tubes. Secure everything with 2 eye bolts. Now slide the wheels on and your DIY boat wheels are ready to go. Simply place your inflatable boat on top. You can also use lashing straps between the eye bolts to keep the boat secure during transport. Quick, cheap, simple, and perfect for moving small inflatable boats without heavy lifting.